Hey guys, iPod Crevic King here, and today I'm going to show you guys a really cool application for business people, which basically transfers your regular business cards into virtual runs using your camera. It's a really cool concept, works very well, and we're going to check it out more in detail in this review. So as you can see, the menu in this app is very simple, very easy to use, and very straightforward. We have one camera button and a couple options down here, but that's basically it. The rest is basically it'll guide you throughout the app how to use it with on-screen instructions, so this app is very easy to use. So now actually getting into the live demo and showing you guys what this app does, how it works, all that kind of stuff. We're just going to begin by tapping the camera button, and this is how it'll load up the camera and let you shoot those virtual business cards so you can save some pocketbook. So this is basically instructions telling you guys that you have to have good lighting, nice environment, all that kind of stuff. And also it does, say that you do have to have an iPhone 4, 3GS, 4S, iPad 3, basically any iOS device camera that has autofocus. Why? It's simply because it will not, if you have, like, say, an iPod Touch 4G which doesn't have focus, it won't pick it up right, and it's all blurry and it won't get the finest text, so that's why it won't pick it up. It's annoying, however expected for an app that makes sure it recognizes the text on the card, which is pretty impressive, but you do have to have a camera with autofocus like I previously said. But I'm going to take this picture live on camera, so apologize for the angle, but I'm trying to get the best shot right there. You also do have some stabilization as well as taking multiple cards options down there. But basically when we're done, that has a pretty nice shot. We do have some mini editing kind of things. It's just not really editors, basically just something to make your card look really nice, as you can see right there. So I'm going to flip it that way. You can change it to multiple languages as well as enhance it or not enhance it. I'm going to press recognize right now since I'm done all my mini editing. That's it. It's going to scan it. As you can see, it looks a bit different since it's just going to recognize it. And then it will bring you to this screen, which basically it just says that it has all your contact info. I'll get later in that. Right now I'm going to zoom up in so I can show you guys the rest of the software tour of this application. So now we're all zoomed up so I can show you guys what to do from now. As you can see, it has all your words and all that kind of stuff from the business card to the application. Very nice, very accurate. If it doesn't get it accurate, you can basically just edit it by pressing this. You can type in whatever you want, say, oh, there's a mistake. I can tap that, it will, and then edit it there. For me, it looks like I got everything right, so now I'm ready to import it, or export it rather. This is the part that really amazes me. I really think that's cool. Basically, it exports it to the contacts book in your phone, which is awesome, so you don't have to open a separate app to get your contacts or call someone. You can just press the export button, export success, and it will go to your contacts book, which I will show you how good it works and that it did definitely export it in the next clip right now. So as you can see, I am in my contacts book and it did export it fine. It did see your work fax work, your email address, the address. You can do all that kind of options. Proof that you are in the contacts book or the contacts application, open it right here. As you can see, I am definitely in the contacts app and it did export it no problem. So like I said, you don't need to open the WorldCard application to see your contact details, which is always nice. Probably one of my favorite features of this app. I don't know why, I just think it is really, really cool. So in the beginning of the video, I did specifically say that I would basically mainly cover the main feature, and that was the camera part and actually taking photos, which is that button right up there. But very briefly, I'm going to go over this bottom row, the bottom 4 buttons, which are the card holder, which basically just shows your cards that you took a picture of. If you don't want to use the contacts book, don't know why you wouldn't, but you can. We have our photos. You have a device that doesn't have the a camera, say the iPod Touch 2G or the 1G, whatever. Any device that doesn't have a camera, you can just import them there. Signature, it basically, it's kind of technical and you may need some help with this, but it basically adds a signature. It basically tells you it right here. It'll help you, which is always nice if you need to do anything like that. You can with this application. Shows that they actually care about you. The QR code, it's basically a code scanner. You want to take pictures that way, you can. Nothing fancy or anything, but if you really wish to, you can. So that's basically about about this app. It's a very nice app, and I definitely do recommend it. If I'd say you have over a centimeter of business cards in your wallet, definitely saves you some pocketbook, and it's definitely a nice way to manage your cards. The only downfall I'd say is the price, which is $7. I believe they have an iPad 3 HD version for 14 or 15. Don't quote me on that, but I think they do have it something around that price, which is even more expensive. But still, guys, if you are a businessman and you, like I said, have a lot of cars, definitely worth it. I definitely think you will like this app and definitely like the features. Very unique and creative app, if I do say so myself. But that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe up above. That will let you know when I post a new video. That's been it, guys. iPod Crafting, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hey guys, iPod King here, and today I'm going to show you guys a really cool application for business people, which basically transfers your regular business cards into virtual runs using your camera. It's a really cool concept, works very well, and we're going to check it out more in detail in this review.